Hello guys, I'm Anwar Sen and today we are going to start our first lecture on QuickBook Online. This will be a detailed video and today topic is chart of account. We will create chart of account different heads and we will explain the fields and type of every account. So let's start. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's start. Click on this gear icon and come to the chart of account. Here you can see chart of account. Click on it. You can see your existing chart of account from here. You can create a new account from this button and you can import chart of account heads. If you have many heads and you want it to import with one click, you can use this option import. We will do this export in today's lecture. So first we have to create an individual account. Click on it. Here on the top, you will see new account. If it's income, you will click on income. If it's expense, click on expense. If it is bank, you are going to add a bank, you will click on bank. If it is an asset, just like a vehicle, building, etc., you will click on asset. Credit card, you will click on credit card. If it's liability, long term or short term, you can click on liability. If it's capital, equity, you will click on this. So let's we create one head of income. Click on income, and here you will see the existing income head. If you want it to be sub account of anything, you can click on this. For example, I say this, I want it to be sub account of income, text form section. Here you will select the text. There are some information available, so you can select relevant head from this drop down menu and it will help you in your tax return. What is the account head? I say it's retail, retail part sale. For example, description, you can put the same thing here. Here you will see it will look like the income and here retail. This is just the preview of the new head. You can save it and here you will see the new account in the chart of account. Retail part sale, its income, sale of product, income, its detail type. So we have created one head. If you want, we create one more expense. Let's create one bank account. The already existing account is here. I will click on bank accounts. This will be the main head. Text form, it's a checking account, cash on hand, money market. It's a checking account. And it's, for example, UBL. Write the last four digit of your account for it will be easy for you if you have many account with one bank. If you have opening balance, you can select the date and you can put the figure. For example, today date, and here you will put the amount, but I will not enter anything. And it will look like this. 7 close and the account is created. See, this is the UBL checking account. Let me import some head to the chart of account. You need to download the sample form. It will easy for you to put the information, the required information. And let me open this one. Okay, so it is open. Here you can put the chart of account number. If you need it, you can put the chart of it. I will delete all these, and let's say uh, I will say it's this number. These number will be unique for type of accounts. For example, for expenses, for cost of goods sold, there will be different. For expenses, there will be different. For income, different account, and uh, for liabilities, the account will be had different. For example, you can keep the 200 for bank, and I say it's third entry or fourth entry. Okay, so it's checking account. I say it's Standard Chartered Bank, Mizan Bank. Let's see, it's Mizan Bank, and I will say I will put the last four digit of my account. It's bank and checking. This is enough. Let me put, for example, my account is start for expenses. For liabilities, let's say liabilities. For liabilities, I say it's 33, and I say it's 10 entries, and payable, check, and it's other current liabilities, and we can put it other current liability as well. So this is the account, payroll expenses, other current liabilities, other. Let me save it, save this one, close it, and come to the QuickBook. Click on browse. Here I want to save. Here you can put the Google Sheet. If you have prepared the chart of account in Google Sheet, you can put the link here. Click on this, and let's click this one and click on next. Okay, so this is QuickBook Online field, and this is our file field. Detail type, here is detail type. It's okay, fine. Account name, good. Account number, type, good. Everything is good. Click on next to preview. You can see the preview. This is the preview. This is the account number, account name, type. You can change the type from here. Detail type, you can change this one as well. You can also change these figures and this description, account name, and click on import. The accounts are imported, and let's see in the chart of account. Let me refresh this one. Mizan Bank, here you can see this is the Mizan new account we have just created. And in liabilities, we have created payroll. This is the payroll payables, and it's also here. So this is the way how you can create different head of chart of account in QuickBook Online. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.